we are at a detour at the Hoover Library and Museum. Oh, this was a pretty amazing museum. There's so much to learn about Herbert Hoover. He was an engineer, and he did so many things for the country, even before he was president, and then even after he was president.
Are you saying engineers are awesome?
Yeah, engineers are great. So now we have to look at our road info and see where we're going next.
All right, for route info, we are going, make your way to Swede Point County Park to find your next clue. Are we going to Sweden?
I don't think so.
Well, I guess we gotta find out where that is.
I think we're still in Iowa.
Okay, well, more coming.
All right.